becoming a viable source of nutrition for wildlife and stuff. A lot of the people, when you're trying to make something popular, you got to say, what's in it for you? So usually as people get older, they have more access to funds. They, made a little money or whatever. And people that like to spend that money are hunters. So I thought if you appeal to the hunting community, they'd like to have a way to improve their hunting areas. And the Ozark Chinquapin seems to be a perfect fit for that. One reason, nut production could begin in 3 to 5 years. And if you're an old guy buying a place to hunt, you want to improve it, that matters to you because you may not have 20 years, but you probably got 3 to 5. The other is it grows in poor soils, poor quality soils and rocky ground. That's kind of a place that's not suitable for crop production, so it'll probably be more affordable. It would do good in a clear-cut area, I would think. Open sun, So those are all things that kind of make it appealing for wildlife production and maybe taking advantage of less costly areas that a person might want to hunt. I'm acquainted with a guy that had a show, and it's a hunting show called Outdoors in the Delta. The man's name is Max Clark. And I thought this would be a great audience. It's people that want to go hunting. They want to see shows about hunting. Everyday people hunting and fishing. So we put a little commercial on it. It's about a 30-second commercial. And if you get an opportunity to watch Outdoors in the Delta, look at the commercial if you haven't seen it. And if you think it needs to say something different, or if it needs something left out, or if it needs someone who's got a better speaking voice than the guy that did it, we welcome those comments. But anyway, I hope that commercial is going to arouse some interest from people and people who are interested in maybe spending some money for themselves and for the future. So that's where I came from on that.
Very good. Thank you a lot, Matthew. I appreciate that. He's been a big supporter of Ozark Chinquapin in the background. And Matthew, you did not know this, but we all here unanimously voted to present you with an award for all your outstanding work you've been doing to save and restore the Ozark Chinquapin. Did you know that this was happening? But yeah, congratulations to you. So this is a great thing. He doesn't toot his horn a lot about all the good he's done. He's planted them. He's gone to different meetings of Rotary clubs, city councils, and I just can't say enough good things he's done. And he called me with this idea about this commercial, paid for it out of his own pocket. Now it's going to be reaching, in theory, like 60 million people, they said.
I don't know if it's 60 million, but it will be an audience of several million people. So.
Very good. That's getting the word out. Information is powerful. Okay, next, John.